Think of a flashlight in a dark room. Shine it on a wall close to you, and it illuminates the entire thing. But increase the distance between the wall and the light, then the wall will remain dark and unclear. This is because light is subject to the inverse square law, which in the simplest of terms states that the further away a surface, then the less light it receives. So, as it relates to disinfection, with a stationary UV emitter, a surface 1 meter away will receive 100% of the intensity, but a surface 2 meters away will only receive 25%. Get far enough away and effectively zero disinfection takes place. This is why an autonomous robot like OhmniClean is the best solution for disinfection. It brings the UV light up close to every surface in a room, negating the effects of the inverse square law to deliver consistent and thorough disinfection.